hippie.
That man jumped me, came back with a pumpy, made them run G, crying to the mumsy. Don't f with the L-dog, burn you up like Star Dog. You're not that hard lad, get hands like joypad. Aero, you're not scary like Scarecrow. Jump in your face like Pogo, L-dog that's new logo. Sit back and watch my name blow, I'll you in your bro. What you is your life goes, then I get on 10 toes. What comes up must come down, what goes round comes back around. I got new bars, I got new sounds, and I'm back now, so watch your mouth. What comes up must come down, what goes round comes back around. I got new bars, I got new sounds, and I'm back now, so watch your mouth. I'm back now, I didn't back down, I put the whole thing in the background. I ain't scared of no class clown, I don't chill with no rats now. It's L-dog and I'm out of the cage, back on my feet, not a mark on my face. Back in the street with a bag of the haze, and I got new lads and brand new mates, some brand new tunes, brand new mood. Call 999 cause I burn this booth, going to the top with 1 million views. I'm gonna stop till the checks come through. Everybody wanna do it but they're not like me. I don't give a f*** who the ops might be. They wanna be boys when I'm getting these streams. I'm on your screens, phones and TVs. What comes up must come down, what goes round comes back around. I got new bars, I got new sounds, and I'm back now, so watch your mouth. What comes up must come down, what goes round comes back around. I got new bars, I got new sounds, and I'm back now, so watch your mouth.